Hi there, and welcome to this video on 5 easy tips to improve your website's SEO for free. If you're new to SEO or looking for ways to improve your website's search engine rankings, you've come to the right place. SEO, or search engine optimization, is the practice of optimizing your website to improve its visibility and ranking in search engine results pages, SERPs. The higher your website ranks in SERPs, the more likely people are to find and visit it. Why is SEO important? Well, think about the last time you searched for something online. Did you click on the first result that popped up or the 10th? Chances are you clicked on one of the top few results. That's because people tend to trust search engines to provide them with the most relevant and high-quality results. By optimizing your website for search engines, you're making it more likely that your website will appear at the top of search results for relevant queries, which can lead to more traffic and potential customers. In this video, we'll be sharing 5 easy and free tips to help you improve your website's SEO. These tips are designed for beginners and require no technical knowledge or expensive tools. By following these tips, you'll be able to optimize your website for search engines and drive more traffic to your website. So if you're ready to learn how to improve your website's SEO for free, let's get started. Tip 1. Choose relevant keywords. The first step in improving your website's SEO is to choose relevant keywords. Keywords are the words and phrases that people use to search for information on search engines like Google. By identifying the keywords that your target audience is using, you can optimize your website's content to better match those search queries and increase your chances of appearing at the top of search results. So, how do you choose relevant keywords for your website? One way is to use free keyword research tools like Google Keyword Planner. This tool allows you to search for keywords related to your business or industry and provides information on their search volume and competition level. Once you've identified relevant keywords, you should include them in your website's content, title tags, meta descriptions, and URLs. However, it's important to use keywords strategically and not to overuse them, as this can actually hurt your SEO. Your content should be easy to read and natural sounding, so don't sacrifice readability for the sake of keywords. In addition to using relevant keywords, you should also focus on creating high-quality, original content. Search engines like Google prioritize unique and valuable content that provides value to users. So make sure that your website's content is informative, engaging, and relevant to your target audience. Another important aspect of content optimization is the use of heading tags: home, hey, to, if3, etc. These tags help organize your content and make it easier for search engines to understand its structure. Use H1 tags for your main heading and H2 tags for subheadings. This not only makes your content more readable, but it also helps search engines understand the main topics of your content. In summary, choosing relevant keywords and optimizing your content are essential steps in improving your website's SEO. By using free keyword research tools, including keywords in strategic locations, and creating high-quality content with appropriate heading tags, you can increase your website's visibility and attract more traffic. Tip 2. Improve your website's speed. Website speed is a crucial factor in SEO. Search engines like Google prioritize websites that load quickly and provide a good user experience. In fact, Google has stated that website speed is a ranking factor for both desktop and mobile searches. So, how do you improve your website's speed? Fortunately, there are several free tools and techniques that you can use to optimize your website's speed. The first step is to use a tool like Google PageSpeed Insights or Canatrix to identify areas where your website can be optimized. These tools analyze your website and provide recommendations on how to improve its speed and performance. One common issue that can slow down your website is large image files. Images can take up a lot of space on your website and slow down load times. To fix this, you can compress your images using free tools like TinyFing or Squoot. This reduces the file size of your images without significantly impacting their quality. Another quick fix is to enable browser caching. When a user visits your website, their browser stores some of your website's files so that it can load faster the next time they visit. By enabling browser caching, you can reduce the amount of time it takes for your website to load on repeat visits. Finally, you can minimize ESC and JavaScript files to improve your website's speed. These files can be large and can slow down your website if not optimized correctly. You can use free tools like Minify or Uglify to compress and optimize these files. In summary, improving your website's speed is an important step in improving your SEO. By using tools like Google PageSpeed Insights or Canmetrics, compressing your images, enabling browser caching, and minimizing CS and JavaScript files, you can optimize your website's speed and provide a better user experience. Tip 3. Get backlinks. Backlinks are links from other websites that point to your website. They are a crucial factor in SEO as they signal to search engines that your website is authoritative and trustworthy. The more high-quality backlinks you have, the more likely it is that your website will rank higher in search engine results pages, SERPs. So, how do you get backlinks for your website? There are several strategies that you can use. Number 1. Guest blogging. You can write guest posts for other websites in your industry and include a link back to your website in your author bio or within the content. This not only helps you get a backlink, but also helps you reach a new audience and establish yourself as an authority in your industry. Number 2. Submit to relevant directories. There are many online directories that list businesses and websites in specific industries. Submitting your website to relevant directories can help you get backlinks and increase your visibility in search results. Number 3. Ask other websites to link to your content. If you have high-quality content on your website that provides value to your audience, you can reach out to other websites in your industry and ask them to link to your content. This can help you get more backlinks and drive more traffic to your website. It's important to note that not all backlinks are created equal. In fact, some backlinks can actually hurt your SEO if they come from low-quality or spammy websites. It's important to focus on getting high-quality backlinks from reputable sources in your industry. In summary, getting backlinks is an important part of SEO. By using strategies like guest blogging, submitting to relevant directories, and asking other websites to link to your content, you can increase the number of high-quality backlinks to your website and improve your search engine rankings. Tip 4. Use social media. Social media can be a powerful tool for improving your website's SEO. By sharing your website's content on social media platforms like Twitter, Facebook, and LinkedIn, you can drive more traffic to your website and increase your visibility in search results. In addition to driving traffic, social media can also impact your website's search engine rankings through social signals. Social signals include likes, shares, and comments on your social media posts, and search engines like Google consider them as a measure of your website's popularity and authority. So, how can you use social media to improve your website's SEO? Here are some tips. Number 1. Share your content regularly. Share your website's content on your social media profiles regularly to keep your followers engaged and drive more traffic to your website. Make sure to include links back to your website in your post. Number 2. Use relevant hashtags. Hashtags can help you reach a wider audience on social media platforms. Use relevant hashtags in your posts to make them more discoverable to users who are interested in your industry or topic. Number 3. Engage with your followers. Respond to comments and messages from your followers to build relationships and encourage more engagement on your social media profiles. Number 4. Use social media analytics. Use the analytics tools provided by social media platforms to track your performance and identify which posts are driving the most traffic to your website. It's important to note that social media is just one part of a comprehensive SEO strategy. While social signals can impact your search engine rankings, they are not the only factor that search engines consider. It's important to focus on creating high-quality content, optimizing your website's speed and structure, and building high-quality backlinks in addition to using social media. In summary, social media can be a powerful tool for improving your website's SEO. By sharing your website's content regularly, using relevant hashtags, engaging with your followers, and using social media analytics, you can drive more traffic to your website and increase your visibility in search results. Tip 5. Monitor your results and keep improving. Once you have implemented the above tips to improve your website's SEO, it's important to monitor your results and keep making improvements. SEO is an ongoing process, and you need to keep optimizing your website to stay ahead of your competitors and maintain your search engine rankings. Here are some tips for monitoring your website's SEO performance and making continuous improvements. 1. Track your website's traffic. Use tools like Google Analytics to track your website's traffic and monitor changes over time. This can help you identify which pages are driving the most traffic to your website, which keywords are performing well, and which pages need further optimization. 2. Monitor your search engine rankings. Use tools like Google Search Console to monitor your search engine rankings and track changes over time. This can help you identify which keywords your website is ranking for, which pages are ranking well, and which pages need further optimization. 3. Analyze your competitors. Keep an eye on your competitors and analyze their SEO strategies. This can help you identify new opportunities and stay ahead of the competition. 4. Keep improving. SEO is an ongoing process, and you need to keep making improvements to stay ahead. Continuously optimize your website's content, structure, and speed, and build high-quality backlinks to maintain and improve your search engine rankings. By monitoring your results and making continuous improvements, you can stay ahead of the competition and maintain your search engine rankings over time. Remember, SEO is not a one-time task, but an ongoing process that requires consistent effort and attention. In conclusion, improving your website's SEO is essential to drive traffic to your website, increase your visibility in search engine results, and grow your online presence. By following the tips we've discussed in this video, including choosing relevant keywords, optimizing your content, improving your website's speed, obtaining backlinks, and using social media, you can improve your website's SEO without spending any money. Remember, SEO is an ongoing process, and it takes time to see results. But by implementing these tips and continuously monitoring and improving your website's SEO performance, you can achieve higher search engine rankings and drive more traffic to your website. So if you're a website owner, blogger, or online entrepreneur, take action today and start implementing these free and easy tips to improve your website's SEO. And don't forget to monitor your results and keep making improvements over time. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more videos on website optimization, digital marketing, and online business.